Example 1. Determine S8 for the given sequence: -5, 15, -45, 135, and so on. Solution. We have now learnt to evaluate both arithmetic series and geometric series. Let us recognize the type of sequence to choose the right formula for determining the sum of first 8 terms of this sequence. By observation, we can see that difference does not seem to be constant. Let us calculate the common ratio for this sequence to see if it is constant. Substituting the values, we get, therefore r equals -3. Thus, the sequence is geometric. Substituting the values of a, r, and n, we can calculate S8 using the formula for geometric series. S8 equals 8,200. Thus, the sum of the first 8 terms of the sequence is 8,200.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.